Welcome to Conrad.
Sign internet work.
We're on 4085. Let's look. It's hello. So this is our room for 2 nights in Conrad. So let's do the tour. Room tour.
Yeah.
So which one are you gonna show, Boy? Show me. Do the tour.
Okay, so this is
Our room. Whoa, we got the 2 bed for 3 person. Yep.
There's a nice long couch there, so yeah. Really nice comfy couch too.
It is. It's big.
Nice beds in here. This is our TV.
Nice.
Yeah. They even customize it to you.
Yes. Good afternoon, Mr. Bang.
Yep. And then the remote to this TV
It's the cool thing
is.
I've ever seen before.
See, you gotta just do that.
You need this kind.
And then it takes time. Load it. And
Nice.
there you have a remote now on your phone.
Nice.
Yep.
What else you
That's
can?
nice, yep. See that, TV guide, applications, yeah, they customize this too.
Mm-hmm.
The guests, even the Wi-Fi is customized to the guests.
Yes.
Yep, mhm.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, then
This-
over here, now this is the really cool part.
Which one? You're gonna press
So,
that?
you press this.
Ooh, nice. Nice.
Then press the other button.
Let's see what's gonna be next.
Look at the view.
Ooh. Nice. Look at that.
Yep.
It's so.
I got us the room that gave us both a
It's the MOA.
Yep,
Yep.
MOA's over there. It gives us both a street view and a seaside view.
Seaside.
Yep. So you can see the sea out there, then you can see the streets, and then you can see MOA over there. Yeah, Mall of Asia right there. And this hotel is connected to a path to a skyway system that'll take us straight to the mall. So we don't have to take the streets to go to the mall. We can go into the skyway and take us there. And then we got over here one of the coolest looking bar areas I've seen.
Mini bar.
Bar, yep. Got that. You got a coffee maker over here too, and hot tea kettle, and then we have our refrigerator. Yep. All sorts of goodies in there.
What is that?
Wine.
Wine.
Yep,
Just
wine.
water.
That's just water.
Bottled water.
Yep. And you got booze, and you got candies.
Chocolates.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah, but it's not free. It costs money, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. All right then.
What is that? Another door. Mix for coffee.
Coffee. Yep.
What else?
And we have in here just closet.
Closet.
Closet here.
Here.
And this is more closet
Closet.
with an umbrella and
Umbrella,
steamer,
yeah,
and you got a safe right there. If need be. Yeah. Oh, I did not see this before.
Flashlight.
This looks like a flashlight.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh,
Flashlight.
flashlight.
Ooh, and it's yep. It looks like it's charging. Chargeable. Yep. That's good. I'll close this. And then we have over here more closet space.
Ooh.
Nice big closet space. And then over here,
It's a big mirror. They have the big mirror.
over here we have our bathroom.
There's a bathroom area. Look at that.
Yeah, nice. So we have the toilet in here.
Yep. Let's see the toilet. Sure.
Toilet with the phone right there to call.
Nice.
Call from the toilet. And over here is the shower.
Shower.
Looks like a very nice shower too.
Yeah, it's a big shower.
Yeah.
There's shower, shampoo, conditioner. There's a body soap, body wash. Yep. Ah, it's nice. Hello.
Yeah.
Nice.
Also, that's
Have
lights
a big
with it.
mirror again.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep, 2 nights in the Conrad.
Yeah. Yes. Nice.
Oh, of course, the big thing I love about this is
With the big mirror.
that carpet.
Yeah, that's what Jew wants. The carpet.
I like carpet in my
He
hotel.
he likes carpet. Yep. So how gonna work it? To close it and open.
So to open it, you have to push up. To close it, you push down.
Nice. Okay, and then in open, just press up for
Yeah.
open.
Okay, yep, yeah, I can show you. So it's closing down right now. I think it has to go all the way down first. And then I can open everything. Okay, and then, okay.
Okay. So this press the up
Yep.
button.
Show.
Yep. Press the up button. Yep. Gonna be open. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Yay! Nice. Yay!
Here we are. The Conrad.
Yes, we have. They have Bible stuff.
Oh wait, look. They do have a remote.
They have a remote also, but you can use your phone. It's a dual use.
Yep.
You have AC, AC.
Yep, the thermostat's right there. Then for the AC units.
Yes.
Yep.
100 million.
Oh, and you have a lot of channels to choose from.
Yeah.
You have everything from, of course, Filipino channels to I see Japanese channels. They have some.
They have
Korean
Netflix?
channels. What?
Netflix,
I
no.
don't know. I can see. Yeah, like Aryong, that's Korean channel. Yeah, and then they've got a Saudi channel. Yeah, a German channel. Yep.
Yep.
So all sorts of channels here for people from all over the
Okay.
world.
Yes. I'm happy to stay here, but boy, for 2
2
nights. And that's all. That's our tour room for today's video. See you the next video. Bye-bye. Bye. Hope you like it.